Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In this vibrant and energetic tutorial, we're painting Wildfire Bloom, a bold floral scene that captures the fiery colors of a blooming field at its most radiant. This is part of our floral series, and it's a great way to explore layered color techniques and spontaneous composition using a unique tool, cotton buds. Here are the materials you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather your supplies and return when you're ready. You'll also find the complete list in the description below. We're starting by creating the background. Squeeze a few drops of sky blue and portrait tone directly onto your canvas, following the placement shown in the video. Using a wet flat brush, blend the colors in horizontal strokes only, moving top to bottom to create a soft, atmospheric transition. Keep your brush wet for a smooth, even blend. The top will stay cooler and blue-toned, while the lower portion will transition into a warm, sunlit glow. Keep your brush wet and your movements fluid. Horizontal strokes help create a gentle, natural gradient from sky to ground. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Now let's get creative with the flowers. Take a few cotton buds and bundle them together using a rubber band or thread. Dip the bundle into Carmine red, orange, and yellow all at once. Don't worry about mixing them. The variation is what gives our flowers their fiery energy. Dab the bundled tips onto the lower canvas in loose circular or radiating patterns. Press a little more in the center to build intensity, and let the paint fade outward for a glowing bloom effect. Rotate your bundle between dabs for natural variation. The variation is what gives our flowers their fiery energy. Press a little more in the center to build intensity, and let the paint fade outward for a glowing bloom effect. Take your time with this step. Repeat this process using magenta and pink for contrast. You can use the same bundle or make another if you'd like more color control. Create clusters across the lower half of your canvas, leaving some negative space to let the background breathe. Now, load a fine liner brush with a mix of lamp black and cerulean blue and draw slender, graceful stems beneath your blooms. Keep your wrist loose and let the lines flow. Take your time with this step. Add a few shorter stems for buds and unopened flowers for extra depth. To finish your field, use a small brush or the edge of your cotton bud bundle to create feathery bushes and wild foliage around the flowers. Mix red, orange, and yellow on the brush for vibrant blends. Tap gently in upward and outward strokes, lifting your hand as you go to create a soft, natural edge. This technique adds a sense of movement and texture, making the landscape feel more dynamic. Your goal is a sense of movement, like a field of flowers caught in a warm breeze. Take your time with this step. And there you have it, Wildfire Bloom, a bold and expressive painting that's as joyful to create as it is to display. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to continue your creative journey, we offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium painting courses to help you grow. You can explore both at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thanks for painting with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Until next time, stay creative and keep painting with joy.